system is power on, you will see the display will show on the demo program. Okay, we call the IBA demo program. So you will get all event data on the screen. Also, you can press the F2 or F1 to switch the display. So now we click on the F2 for the channel 0. You could see the FWR, and the FWR means we get a video from the check 130. Okay, and you will see the same result getting from the normal on-roll video, and after the FWR, we could get a distance from the front car, and you can see the blue line on the road. Okay, when you switch the line, you will get a red line and getting on the error message. From here, the departure. Okay, left side.
Please keep your eyes on the road.
Okay, here is the DBR, detect event data, and you can see all event data be clicked on this display. So if you want to see the DBR screen, now you can switch from the F2 or F1 to channel 1. Okay, so here is what we can do the demo on the DBR. So when we try to check the cell phone under the cable, so you will get
Please keep your eyes on the road.
Error message and a notification from our system. So when you try to demo the DBR, we have 4 actions you can do. And first, we will show on the talking on the phone.
Please do not use a cell phone when driving.
Okay.
Please do not use a cell phone when driving. Please do not use a cell phone when driving.
And eating.
Please do not eat when driving. Please do not eat when driving.
Okay. Oh.
Please do not eat when driving.
Event data you can get from here for eating. Left button will show one short red line on the display. You can see.
Please do not eat when driving.
And talking on the phone will be the right side button, and will show on the screen.
Please do not use a cell phone when driving.
Okay.
Please do not use a cell phone when driving.
So when we try to watch another, like watching cell phone,
please keep your eyes on the road.
Getting a distraction event, you will see your face does not be detection on the screen. Okay. So the next one will be the detection your eyes. So you can call the sleeping detection. Before you can see the short white line on the left side. After the left side, the short light show on the display. That is mean the system ready for detection your eyes. So now you can close your eyes. After 1 second,
please pay attention to the road.
You will get a message from our system. Okay. Okay. So now we will another function.
Please.
Press the F5 for checking our blind spot detection. That is mean the camera can detect any moving item full angle around 180 degrees. So we use this to do the blind spot detection. Okay? So someone behind your car, you can easily be notification and reduce